Here comes our next question. Which of the following Mughal emperors wrote their own autobiographies? So, Mughal emperors who wrote their own autobiographies were Babur and Jahangir. B option is correct here. Next question. Arrange the dynasties of Delhi Sultanate given below in chronological order. We will have to arrange the dynasties of Delhi Sultanate according to chronological order. So, the first will be Slave dynasty. After Slave there will be Khilji dynasty. After Khilji dynasty there will be Tughlaq dynasty, and after Tughlaq dynasty there will be Sayyid dynasty. So D option is correct here. Next question. Who among the following was known as the Parrot of India? The person who was known as the Parrot of India, the name of the person is Amir Khusro. B option is correct here. The first Mughal emperor of India was Babur. C option is correct here. Name the Indian king who warmly received the Portuguese traveller Vasco da Gama when he landed at Calicut. So the name of the Indian king was Jamorin. C option is correct here. Next question. The savior of the Delhi Sultanate was Ghayasuddin Balban. D option is correct here. Who was the Delhi Sultan to impose jizya even on the Brahmins? So the Sultan was Firoz Tughlaq. B option is correct here. Which was the second capital of Akbar? The second capital of Akbar was Fatehpur Sikri. C option is correct here. The famous Sun Temple at Konark was built by. This temple was built by Narasimha first. C option is correct here. The tomb of Jahangir was built at Lahore. What was the original name of Noor Jahan? The original name of Noor Jahan was Mehrun-Nisha. C option is correct here. Akbar held his religious discussion in Ibadat Khana. C option is correct here. Who among the Delhi Sultans died of a sudden fall from a horse at Lahore while plaguing Chogan? So the Sultan was Qutbuddin Aibak. A option is correct here. The most powerful Peshwa was Bajirao. B option is correct here. Sher Shah defeated Humayun and captured Gaur in the Battle of Chosha, which was held in 1539 AD. B option is correct here. When the rule of Delhi Sultan began? The rule of Delhi Sultan began in 1206 AD. B option is correct here. Who introduced leather token currency in India? The person who has introduced leather token currency in India. This question will be answered by you in the comment section. Next question. When did the reign of Delhi Sultanate came to an end? The reign of Delhi Sultanate came to an end in 1526 AD. B option is correct here. Tulsidas wrote Ramcharitmanas in the reign of Akbar. B option is correct here. Which is the holy book of Sikh religion? The holy book of Sikh religion is Guru Granth Sahib. D option is correct here. Which of the following forts was not built by Akbar? The forts which was not built by Akbar was Gwalior Fort. Now you will have to answer the question that who built Gwalior Fort in the comment section. Agra Fort, Lahore Fort and Allahabad Fort. All three forts were built by Akbar. A option is correct here. Next question. Which Mughal emperor transferred the Mughal capital from Agra to Delhi? The emperor was Shah Jahan, who transferred Mughal capital from Agra to Delhi. The Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. B option is correct here. Multan was named by the Arabs as City of Gold. C option is correct here. Who among the following sultans tried to prohibit Shati? The sultan who tried to prohibit Shati was Muhammad bin Tughlaq. B option is correct here. Who among the following Mughal rulers banned music and dancing? The ruler was Aurangzeb, who banned music and dancing. C option is correct here. Next question. Tulsidas wrote Ramcharitmanas during the reign of Akbar. B option is correct here. Who constructed Humayun's tomb in Delhi? So the Humayun's tomb was constructed by Haji Begum in Delhi. C option is correct here. How many times Shivaji plundered Surat? So Shivaji plundered Surat Twice. D option is correct here. How many times Shivaji plundered Surat? So he plundered twice. D option is correct here. Who was the founder of Lodhi dynasty? The founder of Lodhi dynasty was Bahlol Lodhi. Who of the following become a member of Din-e-Ilahi? The person who has become a member of Din-e-Ilahi was Raja Birbal. The option is correct here. The first Sultan of Delhi to issue regular currency and declare Delhi as the capital of his empire was Iltutmish. A option is correct here. Who of the Delhi Sultans pursued the policy of blood and iron? So the Sultan was Balban, who pursued the policy of blood and iron. C option is correct here. The greatness of Sher Shah lies in his administrative reforms. D option is correct here. Who was Akbar's famous revenue minister? Akbar's famous revenue minister was Todermal. B option is correct here. Who among the following rulers abolished jizya? The ruler who abolished jizya was Akbar. C option is correct here. Which of the following monuments is oldest? The monuments which was oldest is Ajanta caves. C option is correct here. Next question. Which of the following was the founder of House of Peshawar? The person who was the founder of House of Peshawar was Balaji Vishwanath. B option is correct here. The first battle of Panipat fought in the year 1526. C option is correct here. Next question. Who was the first Vijayanagar ruler to wrest the important fort of Goa from the Bahmanis? So the ruler was Harihar II. C option is correct here. Who was Akbar's guardian? Akbar's guardian was Bairam Khan. In which of the round table conference Mahatma Gandhi participated? So Mahatma Gandhi participated in second round table conference 1931. B option is correct here. Todermal, the brilliant revenue officer, served under Sher Shah. A option is correct here. Who is called as the Prince of Moneyers? So the person who is called as the Prince of Moneyers was Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who translated Mahabharata into Persian? The person who translated Mahabharata into Persian was Badoni. B option is correct here. Who built a 2.5 दिन का झोपड़ा or a hut of 2.5 days at Ajmer? So it was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. A option is correct here. Who built Purana Kila? Purana Kila was built by Sher Shah. B option is correct here. The capital of Yadava kings was Devagiri. A option is correct here. Pandit Raj Jagannath was the poet laureate of which of the following rulers? So Pandit Raj Jagannath was the poet laureate of Shahjahan. B option is correct here. Next question. Amir Khusro was a poet. He was a poet. A option is correct here. Next question. The token currency using copper and brass coins was modeled after which country's example by Muhammad bin Tughlaq? So it was the example of China. C option is correct here. Next question. Who founded the city of Delhi? City of Delhi was founded by Tamara. C option is correct here. Next question. Which Turkish ruler invaded India 14 times between 1000 and 1026 AD? So the ruler was Muhammad of Ghazni. A option is correct here. Next question. Who was the elder brother of Shah Suja and Murad Bakhsh? So the elder brother of Shah Suja and Murad Bakhsh was Dara Shikoh. The option is correct here. Which battle led to the downfall of Vijayanagar Empire? The battle which led to the downfall of Vijayanagar Empire was Battle of Talikota. B option is correct here. Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh of Jaipur had not built the observatory at. So he has not built the observatory at Allahabad. B option is correct here. Next question. An agricultural department known as Diwan-e-Kohi was created by. It was created by Muhammad bin Tughlaq and it was known as Diwan-e-Kohi. A option is correct here. Which one of the following painters of Jahangir's reign was conferred the title of Nadir-ul-Ashra? So the painter was Mansoor. B option is correct here. Which monument is in pink color? The monument which is in pink color is Hawa Mahal. B option is correct here. Who applied the concept of guerrilla warfare in India in 17th century? So the guerrilla warfare in India in 17th century was applied by Shivaji. A option is correct here. Was the first Muslim ruler of Delhi? So Qutbuddin Aibak was the first Muslim ruler of Delhi. C option is correct here. The Grand Trunk Road built by Sher Shah Suri connects. The Grand Trunk Road built by Sher Shah Suri connects Lahore and East Bengal. C option is correct here. Who among the following foreign countries was the first one to trade with India? So the country was Portugal. The option is correct here. Which monument is known as the Dream in Stone? So the monument is Panch Mahal. The option is correct here. The foreign traveler who visited India during the reign of Shah Jahan was Manuki. The option is correct here. Abdul Fazl was the son of which Sufi saint? Abdul Fazl was the son of Sheikh Mubarak. A option is correct here. Which dynasty was ruling in Vijayanagar Empire at the time of the Battle of Talikota? So the dynasty was Tuluva. C option is correct here. Next question. Which of the following sultans died while playing polo or chogan? So the sultan is Qutbuddin Aibak. A option is correct here. Who among the following Sikh gurus had laid the foundation of Amritsar? So the guru is Guru Ramdas, who laid the foundation of Amritsar. The option is correct here. Which of the following writers has called Akbar-ud-Din-e-Ilahi as a monument of his holy note of wisdom? So the saint is Vincent Smith. B option is correct here. Next question. The city of Vijayanagar is also known as Hampi. C option is correct here. Next question. Which of the following sultans of Tughlaq dynasty issued copper coins instead of silver coins? So the sultan was Muhammad bin Tughlaq, who issued copper coins instead of silver coins. B option is correct here. Akbar's tomb is located at which of the following places? It is located at Sikandara. A option is correct here. Which dynasty was started by Khizr Khan? So the dynasty was Sayyid dynasty, which was started by Khizr Khan. The earliest reference to sati custom is made in which of the following inscriptions? So it was made in the inscription of Iran inscription of Bhanugupta. B option is correct here. Aaron inscription. Next question. What was the immediate aim of the Treaty of Purandar in 1665? So the immediate aim was to sow seeds of contention between Shivaji and Sultan of Bijapur. B option is correct here. Next question. In the Battle of Panipat, Babur faced the armies of Ibrahim Lodi. D option is correct. Where in India was the first French factory established? First French factory in India was established in Surat. A option is correct here. The silver coin Taka was introduced by Iltutmish. B option is correct here. Next question. Who was the first Englishman to appear in Mughal court during Jahangir's reign? So the first Englishman was Captain William Hawkins. B option is correct here. The famous poet Amir Khusro was contemporary of except following. So he was the contemporary of Iltutmish. C option is correct here. What is Gol Gumbad? Gol Gumbad is Mausoleum of Muhammad Adil Shah. D option is correct here. The official language of the Delhi Sultanate was Persian. C option is correct here. Chacha Nama records the history of which conquest? So it records the history of Arabs. C option is correct here. The first Europeans to come to India were Portuguese. D option is correct here. Who among the following was the first to make use of artillery in warfare in medieval India? It was Babur. A option is correct here. Next question. The first woman ruler in Indian history was Rajia Sultan. Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital from Delhi to Devgiri. B option is correct here. Who was appointed by Akbar as his court musician? The person was Mia Tansen. Bahadur Shah first was born in the year of 1643. B option is correct here. Which of the following Al-Biruni's account of India? So the Al-Biruni's account of India was Kitabul Hind. D option is correct here. The next topic is modern India. Here we will discuss the question of modern India. So let's start. First question. When Mahatma Gandhi was arrested, who among the following took over the leadership of Salt Satyagraha? So the leadership of Salt Satyagraha was taken by Abbas Tyagi when Mahatma Gandhi was arrested. C option is correct. who was the leader of Bardoli Satyagraha? The leader of Bardoli Satyagraha was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C option is correct. Go back to Vedas. This call given by Dayanand Saraswati. Noakhali is situated in Bangladesh. B option is correct. Mahatma Gandhi was the first arrested during Satyagraha in the year of 1908. B option is correct here. Next question. What was the basis of transfer of power to India on 5th August by? So, the basis of transfer of power to India on 15th August by anniversary of the surrender of Japanese army before Admiral Mountbatten. D option is correct here. Next question. The father of extremist movement in India is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D option is correct here. Through which principle or device did Gandhiji strive to bridge economic inequalities? So, the principle or device was trusteeship theory. C option is correct here. Next question. Mahatma Gandhi got his inspiration from civil disobedience from Toru. A option is correct here. Next question. The first Indian selected for Indian Civil Services was Surendranath Banerjee. A option is correct here. Next question. The system of communal electorate in India was first introduced by Minto Marley reforms of 1909, who represented India in the second round table conference. So, it was represented by Sarojini Naidu. C option is correct here. What was the ultimate goal of Mahatma Gandhi's Salt Satyagraha? The ultimate goal of Mahatma Gandhi's Salt Satyagraha was Purana Swaraj for India. D option is Purna Swaraj for India. D option is correct here. Who persuaded the rating of RIN means Royal Indian Navy to surrender on 23rd February 1946. So, it was Jinnah. Vallabhbhai Patel and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. C option is correct here. On September 20, 1932, Mahatma Gandhi began to fast unto death in Yarveda jail he fasted against communal award of Ram C. MacDonald. C option is correct here. In 1939, for the first time, Gandhiji tried out of specific techniques of controlled mass struggle in a native state. He allowed a close associate of his to lead Satyagraha. Who was he? The person was Vallabhbhai Patel in Rajkot. C option is correct here. One-time associate of Mahatma Gandhi broke off from him and launched a radical movement called Self-Respect Movement. Who was he? So, the person was E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar. C option is correct here. What did Jyotiba Phule's Satya Shodhak Samaj attempt in the last century? It attempted saving the lower caste from hypocritical Brahmins and their opportunistic scriptures. A option is correct here. In which of the following movements did Mahatma Gandhi make the first use of hunger strike as a weapon? So, the movements was Ahmedabad strike 1918. C option is correct here. Who led the Salt Satyagraha movement with Gandhi? So, the person was Sarojini Naidu. D option is correct here. Sati was prohibited by Lord William Bentinck. C option is correct here. The Simon Commission was formed to review. It was formed to review fitness of India for further reforms. B option is correct here. Where did Aurangzeb die? Aurangzeb died in Aurangabad. B option is correct here. When was the first train steamed off in India? The first train steamed off in India was 1853. B option is correct here. Next question. Which one of the following libraries has the largest collection of manuscripts of historical value? So, the library was Khuda Bakhsh Oriental Public Library. A option is correct here. In which of the following systems of land settlement adopted by the English did provide more protection to the interest of farmers? So, the system was Rohitwari settlement of Madras. B option is correct here. Next question. Which of the following pairs contributed significantly to integrate the princely states into Indian Union? So, the pair was Sardar Patel and V.P. Menon. B option is correct here. Next question. When was first telegraph line started in India? It was started in 1851. the Home Rule League was started by? It was started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. When did British government start ruling India directly? So it was started directly after the Battle of Plassey. What did the Hunter Commission appointed by the Viceroy probe? So it was appointed by the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. C option is correct here. Next question. From where did Acharya Vinoba Bhave start the individual satyagraha in 1940? So he started from Pavnar in Maharashtra. B option is correct here. Which British Governor General introduced postage stamp in India? So the Governor General was Lord Dalhousie. A option is correct here. The first telegraph line between Calcutta and Agra was opened in 1853. B option is correct here. The original name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati was? The original name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati was Mool Sankar. D option is correct here. Next question. The Swadeshi movement was launched. It was launched as a protest against division of Bengal. A option is correct here. The 19th century reawakening in India was confined to the upper middle class. B option is correct here. Who was the first Indian to be elected to the British Parliament? So the Indian was Dadabhai Naoroji. A option is correct here. Who introduced the permanent settlement in Bengal? It was Lord Cornwallis. A option is correct here. When was the first passenger train run in India? First passenger train run in India in April 1853. B option is correct here. Who designed the national flag of independent India? It was designed by Pingali Venkaya. D option is correct here.